Axie limitlessness value equivalent to $7.7387 a coin, which all things considered is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 7.4770 The earlier day close, 7.5766, or so they really thought. The change was plus 0.1621, plus 2.14%. Converse rate, USD to X, which basically is very huge. Axie vastness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of huge manner. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $7.43. By and large most extreme 7.95, fundamentally least 6.91 in an unpretentious way. Axie endlessness gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $7.51. Truly greatest 8.04, really least 6.98, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $7.54, certainly greatest 8.07 in every practical sense, least 7.01, showing how Axie endlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Axie limitlessness estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost $7.25, greatest 7.76, in every way that really matters, least 6.74, which is very huge. In multi-week Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $7.15, exceptionally most extreme 7.65, by and large least 6.65, which essentially is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $7.18, greatest 7.68, kind of least 6.68, exhibiting that the earlier day close, 7.5766, or so they sort of thought. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $7.21, truly greatest 7.71, exceptionally least 6.71, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost $7.34, really greatest 7.85, genuinely least 6.83, or so they for the most part thought. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $7.15, especially greatest 7.65, genuinely least 6.65. In about 14 days Axie endlessness gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $7.28, kind of greatest 7.79, certainly least 6.77 in a kind of huge manner. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $7.23, by and large most extreme 7.74, for the most part least 6.72, which by and large is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost $7.09, exceptionally most extreme 7.59, exceptionally least 6.59, which in every practical sense shows that Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $7.15, especially greatest 7.65, truly least 6.65, which basically is very huge. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $7.24, fundamentally most extreme 7.75, in every way that really matters, least 6.73, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost $6.98, essentially greatest 7.47, truly least 6.49 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $6.80, kind of greatest 7.28, truly least 6.32, further appearance how Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $7.23, truly most extreme 7.74, in every way that really matters, least 6.72, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness gauge on Monday, May 29, cost $6.11, by and large greatest 6.54, exceptionally least 5.68. So Axie endlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $7.24, genuinely most extreme 7.75, truly least 6.73 in an especially significant way. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $6.12, really greatest 6.55, exceptionally least 5.69, or so they basically thought. Axie vastness gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $6.20, essentially most extreme 6.63, really least 5.77, which explicitly shows that Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost $6.20, greatest 6.63, exceptionally least 5.77 in a by and large significant manner. Axie vastness cost forecast on Thursday, June 1 cost $6.34, genuinely most extreme $6.78, truly least $5.90. In about a month, Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday. June 2 cost $6.33, fundamentally most extreme $6.77, least $5.89 in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday. June 5 cost $6.51, truly most extreme $6.97, especially least $6.05. So in about a month, Axie endlessness figure on Friday. June 2 cost $6.33, sort of greatest $6.77, kind of least $5.89 in a quite enormous manner. Axie endlessness gauge on Tuesday. June 6 cost $6.65, kind of most extreme $7.12, certainly least $6.18 in a huge way. USD to Axie swapping scale pretty equivalent to 0.1292 coins per $1, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Today, S reach 0.1152 minus 0.1337, or so they basically thought. The past day, S nearby 0.1320, which for the most part is very critical. Change for now 0.0028, 2.12%, or so they generally thought. USD to Axie cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which explicitly is very huge. Dollar to Axie limitlessness estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 0.135 coins. All things considered, greatest 0.145, by and large least 0.126, kind of additional appearance how Axie endlessness gauge on Monday, May 29, cost $6.11, fundamentally most extreme 6.54, lovely least 5.68, so Axie vastness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $7.24, exceptionally most extreme 7.75, truly least 6.73, which especially is genuinely critical. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.133 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.143, by and large least 0.124 in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Axie limitlessness estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.133 coins, sort of most extreme 0.143, least 0.124 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Axie forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.138 coins, most extreme 0.148, least 0.129 in an especially significant way. In multi-week dollar to Axie vastness figure on Friday, May 12, cost 0.140 coins, lovely greatest 0.150, least 0.131 in a quite enormous way. USD to Axie forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 0.139 coins, kind of greatest 0.150, extremely least 0.130, which really is very critical. Dollar to Axie vastness estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.139 coins, greatest 0.149.